Computer-based IELTS prediction and guidance. Date for the exam: 16th July 2025, which is a computer-based IELTS exam, which can be given through IDP or British Council. Speaking. We have some predicted cue cards for the exam, and some tips to perform well in this module are as follows. Before you start, take a deep breath and smile, which makes you sound more confident and natural. Use a variety of tenses naturally to show your grammar range, like using past tense for memories, present tense for routines, and future tense for plans. Also add feelings and opinions to make your answers more personal and engaging. If you don't understand a question, politely ask the examiner, "Could you please repeat or explain that?" You can also use fillers like, "Well, let me think, that's an interesting question," to buy time when needed. The prediction is that here are some 10 must-prepare cue cards from Makkar IELTS from the May-August 2025 PDF file, which can be like: describe a person who wears unusual clothes, describe a person from another culture you enjoy spending time with, describe a place with many trees you'd like to visit, describe a time you forgot or missed an appointment, describe an outdoor sport you would like to try, describe a time when someone gave you something you really wanted, describe a website that sells second-hand items, describe a skill you can teach others, describe a person who persuaded you to do something, describe a time you saw a lot of plastic waste. Detailed video with sample answers is available on our YouTube channel. All 60 Makkar cue cards with sample intros are pinned in the Telegram group. Writing. How to approach writing. Spend about 3 to 5 minutes on planning before you start. Write clear topic sentences for each paragraph. Use transition words and academic vocabulary. Always include an overview in Task 1 and a balanced opinion in Task 2. Task 1 is academic, with likely graphs such as process diagram, table, line chart and map. There may be a mixed type such as bar plus pi. The academic in GT Task 2 are as follows. Some people think schools should group students according to their academic ability. Others believe students of mixed abilities should study together. Discuss both views and give your opinion. In many countries, people throw away a lot of food from restaurants in homes. Why? What can be done to reduce food waste? Some people think watching TV causes weight problems in children. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Many believe that to be successful in life you need to go to university. Others say it's not necessary. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Many people are working from home today. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Template sample answers and advanced vocabulary are pinned in the Telegram group. Listening. Expected pattern. Strategies. Quickly highlight keywords in the questions. Stay focused for distractors, especially in sections 2 and 3. Check spelling and grammar in final review time. Watch singular and plural forms carefully. The likely pattern is: Section 1 will have a personal details form. Section 2 will be a map or plan labeling such as park or library. Section 3 will be a student discussion about an assignment with multiple choice questions and matching tasks. Section 4 will be a lecture on a science or history topic with one-word completion. Listening practice PDFs and audio are available in the Telegram group and YouTube channel. Reading. Question types and practice passages. How to approach reading. Skim to get the main idea, then scan for answers. Be mindful of paraphrased words in the questions. Pace yourself about 15 minutes per passage. Double-check TFNG and YNNG questions carefully. The recommended reading passages for 16th July 2025 are: The Pyramid of Cestius, How Reading Should Be Taught, Photovoltaics on the Rooftop, Categorizing Societies, Catherine Mansfield, Sir Francis Ronalds and Telegraph, The Tuatara of New Zealand, Skyscraper Farming, Synesthesia, and Sir Francis Ronalds and Telegraph. PDFs are available in the Telegram group, along with a CBT practice website that will be coming soon. Final tips for 16th July exam, all modules. Answer naturally, don't overthink, and fluency is more important than perfection in speaking. Practice typing at exam speed and get used to CBT features like highlight, notepad, etc. Always read questions twice before answering, especially in listening and reading. Watch out for spelling and plural and singular mistakes. Don't panic if you miss a question, move on and come back if time allows. Get proper sleep before the test, being alert makes a huge difference. Study materials all in the Telegram and YouTube. Makkar cue cards with Band 9 sample answers, Academic and GT Band 8-9 essays, listening tests, PDFs and audios in keys, priority reading passages PDFs, writing templates and advanced vocabulary. All predictions and sample answers video are on YouTube. Need help polishing your preparation? Join our Telegram group at www.ielts1stop.com. All the best for your IELTS, stay calm and aim high.